Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your brother, my Prophet, man, back again with another video as usual, man. Giving y'all that good content, man. If you're new to the channel, make sure you go and like, share, subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a video. What we doing today, man? We finna install some LED lights. Pretty much, first I want to say, man, if you're new to the channel, man, I used to have a 2012 Dodge Charger SE. So I'm pretty much just swapping everything over that I had on that car. I left some stuff with it, because it was kind of old, but some stuff I kept. And one thing I did keep was my underglow lights. So we're about to install these blue underglows, and we're gonna put them all the way under. So I already got pieces of them connected. I'm gonna show y'all after y'all see my little cutscene after my intro. But yeah, I already got everything connected. I just gotta go some distance again. So once again, since I'm swapping everything over, I just need to put some more adhesive on, which I already have, which I always have adhesive. So if you are doing this, you swap anything over, man. I got this from eBay as well. I think it's like $5 or $6 on eBay. This is really good. And then I got some and I had some adhesive as well that came for my side skirts and I had on my Dodge Charger. And be on the lookout for a video on that, man. I'm gonna try to put this together. It kind of does not fit, but I'm gonna try to make it work. So I have my front splitter still, and I have my side skirts as well. So be on the lookout video for that. But other than that, man, I'm gonna pretty much show y'all the end of everything, and then show y'all how I'm installing it. But that's it, man. Let's get to the video. I just went to my fuse panel and it's got something that that lights up whenever you cut the car on instead of it being constantly powered on. So I use my instrument cluster panel, which will just be this up here, these little lights up there. So if you take that fuse out, those lights won't work. So whenever you crank the car on, so the reason doing this way, so whenever you crank the car on, your actual underglows and your interior will actually light up every time you crank the car on or you turn it on or whatever. So you never have to worry about anything else. So now I just gotta find a ground to this. So I got my wire. So if you don't know how to do this, connect your wire to your fuse and just gotta find the ground. That's it. I'm gonna show y'all where that ground is at in a minute when I find it. So I found the ground literally right beside the fuse box, which is good. And a ground can be pretty much anything where metal contact is, as far as my knowledge is. So I have the screw. I had to unscrew this a little bit, and it's connected to on something metal as well. Little lights kind of shining on it, but yeah, that's my ground. Kind of figure that up. So yeah, this is my ground. I'm pretty much done now. I just gotta need to connect the rest of my lights. So let me show y'all that it works. Once again, my instrument panel. Just show that in. See how it right there. See, my light is blue. You see, so I cut that off, and it cuts that off. So right now I'm just crimping my wires using these. And I'm gonna apply my adhesive and slap it against that wall. You want to put it on the cloth, you want to put it on something soft, but you see that little gray piece right there. So right now I'm giving y'all kind of like little cut scenes, man. So I got my wire attached to there, my adhesive, double-sided adhesive. Now I'm just trailing my wire through, trying to figure out where I'm going to see if I can get it on the other end without having to like, probably, yep, I just do it like that then. So I'm just trailing mine through this end, then I'm just gonna go through here and all the way around. Man, this is simple stuff. This is like a 30-minute job, depending on how quick you want to be. Tuck all that stuff under. The main thing it is about is hiding the wire. That's the main thing it's about. As long as you hide the wire, it's gonna look good. So I'm just rolling my wire all the way through and kind of tuck it in the inside of the carpet. Pull that carpet back. Yes, sir. Now all I gotta do is connect my wire. I'm gonna leave it out. So all I do is connect my wire. I'm gonna put it in the same. Well, this one's kind of different, but I'll probably end up just putting it on here. It's like the only spot that I see. I don't see anything else. Everything else is kind of blocked on this side since it's the passenger side and it has these lights. But I'll probably end up doing it that way. I gotta tell y'all, man, it's like the first time actually me doing this using I forget what these are called, like little crimp things or whatever. But what you want to do, instead of putting, you know what I'm saying, each wire on each side, you saw how I did it in the beginning. I just connected both wires and just crimped the one end, and that was it. That's the best way to do it. Do it that way so you don't have any connection issues or it's pulling apart or something like that. It will automatically always be attached to this actual wire right here. So here y'all go. So in this case, my negative wire, it will be my stripe wire. It should be this blue one, and then obviously the black and red one. So I have those both connected. So you just want to put this end on right here. Forgive me, y'all, I ain't using my tripod right at the moment, but so I'm giving y'all cut scenes. But other than that, you want to do that like that and just mash it in with some pliers or some wire cutters or whatever. And that's pretty much it, man. I'll show y'all that it works again. Extra side. See both lights cut on. Boom. So I got that under there like so. I'm gonna give y'all a night video of it because it can't see it in the daytime. Show y'all what it looks like. That's what it looks like. If I forgot to mention, you will need some extra speaker wire for this. I'm using speaker wire. You use any type of wire, it doesn't really matter. But I'm just trailing mine all the way to the back. All the way back here. And I'll cut off right where the seat is at. And then some of my blue ones don't work, so I'm just gonna use one. I'm probably just gonna put it like right here or something. So it can kind of get both sides in the middle. So normally, naturally, you should put it under here and then under that seat as well. But I'm gonna do it like that, and then that'll be it for me, man. That will be it. So this is how it looks. I can't, before I even show y'all the rest of this, it will not allow me, like when I open my door and stuff, I'll show y'all right here. It just stays on. This switch does not cut anything off at all. It just even shows you that it only cuts off the dashboard as well. But other than that, they won't let me cut it off, so I gotta be in the car. That is the end of the video, man. If you're new to the channel, make sure you go like and subscribe to the channel, man. Mighty Profit. But make sure you hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a video. Let me know what y'all think down in the comment section below. Let me know if y'all like the video. Let me know if you didn't like the video. Your feedback is how I make my videos better or worse. So let me know in the comment section below, man.